Hello guys, welcome back. In today's episode we'll be looking at Ethereum, DXY and BTC price actions. Before we start, I would like to remind you, if you want to see more videos how to trade successfully, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also make sure press the bell icon to get an instant updates. Ethereum under 30 minutes time frame, I would say that it is underwater. 1 hour time frame, preparing to go into a consolidation zone if it cannot manage to stay above 1,300, ideally 350 area. 2 hour time frame, I would say the same scenario, not in full mode. And when we look into 4 hour time frame, to be fully bullish, it should stay above 1,300 and 1,350 area. In the end, if 1 hour to 4 hour time frames fail to close and stay above 1,300 and 1,350, ideally 1,350, then this time we may not be able to hold 618 zone, which is 1,182 area, and price can go all the way up to 1,080, 1,030 area. So I would say that as long as we do not lose 1,050, 1,080 area, these areas, we have a chance to consolidate further and we may go up from there. However, if we fail to hold 1,080 area, then higher time frame support levels come into play. It is all around in this area. I will add it in the future videos or via my Twitter account. If we look into a parallel channel, you can see how the upper line worked as a resistance and lower channel, it acted as a support. And today, again, as you see, it acted nearly, we came and we got rejection from 786 area. And yesterday, as you saw, kind of we broke it and we couldn't hold it, and we dumped from 1,434 all the way up to 1,240 price actions that we saw since yesterday. And as you can see, we failed to hold the midline, and as a result, as I said, we dumped further down. And as you can see, lower channel, it confluenced with a 786 area, which means we should really ideally hold this zone. If we do not, and we've got highly likely we go down below. In the last 10 days also, if you remember, I was kept saying that I do not like how the BTC giving us a mixed signals under a different time frames. As a result, Ethereum and rest of the alts couldn't manage to stay above the resistance zones, which you remember our resistance zones 300 and 350. And in the last 24 hours, we're seeing that alts and BTC is dumping. For the bullish scenario, nothing has been changed. As I said, 300, 350 is a crucial area once we hold, and we've got our ideal target zone is $1,544. If you like and enjoy the content, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. DXY chart, as you remember, we've been following for some time, and as I said, support 2 must hold it and we will go further up. Last time we updated about a week ago, as you remember, I said we have to go up from here around, I'm quoting from the video. If you're not following my Twitter account, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8. And via Twitter, I updated and explained in a short video how the DXY price action affects to the BTC. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it to you to visit to my Twitter account and watch it. We were around here, I said we will go around 91-ish level. So we came exactly 90.95 area. And then as I said, I'm quoting, we will go 91-ish zone area, and then we will come back, retest it. From there on, we've got highly chance we're going to our resistance zone 1. However, I didn't give a weight for now, and I'm still cautious about whether we're going to test resistance 2 or not. We will be following closely, and I will be update in the coming videos. So as you can see, it's just following the plan. We broke it, we came around 91-ish zone, we got rejection, and we came back retesting this support 1 again, and then from here on we are going up. If that happens, I explained again on my videos, So what will happen to the BTC price action? Either we're going to see some sort of consolidation for the BTC, or BTC go towards to the south. If you're not following me via Twitter, I highly recommend you to follow me at CryptoMagnate8, at CryptoMagnate8, where I will post instant updates for BTC, Ethereum and rest of the altcoins. If you have a reasonable questions regarding technical analysis, or you want to learn technical analysis, one-on-one intense under 10-hour mentorship is available, or if you need a consultation, my DM is always open. Let's move on to the BTC. It was mentioned in yesterday's video that if BTC managed to recover under 30 and 120 minute timeframes, then there is a high chance for the BTC to follow Ethereum footsteps. It couldn't manage, and as we are witnessing, the entire crypto market is in red. 30-minute time frame is underwater, and when we're going to look into 1 hour time frame, I would say exactly the same thing. However, when we come to the 2 hour time frame, 2 hour time frame seems following 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I would say it is consolidating nicely between 618 and 382 area for the last 4-5 days. If you remember that, I was keep telling how 618 zone is important, and once we broke it, we are retesting number of candles, rejecting, and we went up yesterday again, number of 4 hour, 2 hour candles, kept testing, and it couldn't hold it. We went all the way back towards 382 area, again retesting 34,700 area. And as you can see, we've got a confluence with our further resistance, horizontal support resistance and horizontal support and resistance areas with a 382 and 0.5 area as usual. And in yesterday's video, as you remember, I also warned how this 382 level is important and we should hold it, because we've got a higher time frame support resistance levels over here. As you can see, now it's going to be acting as a resistance. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see it clearly. After breaking with this candle, that's a bear engulfing green candle, and we've covered actually entire body of this green candle. Now we're rejecting from 382, and we've got, as I said, higher time frame support resistance right above us. As I said, we're in consolidation zone, and just in case, I worked on a higher time frame levels and took it fib under a daily time frame to follow in the coming days. If you're enjoying from the contents, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And it is early to talk about it for now under the higher time frame fib levels. However, it is important to keep in mind, once we lose higher time frame support resistance lines, which is resistance at the moment, it's around 34,865, then higher time frame fib levels we need to watch. The first level that we need to watch, 382, which is $32,111. Below we have 0.5, which is our golden zone. It is around $29,060. However, it is quite early for us to talk about 0.618 golden zone. Within these zones, again around here, we've got horizontal support levels in these areas. I would like to add that as you see how the fib levels are important if you know how to use them, and this lower time frame fib levels we've been following since January 11 around here, and as you can see we went up further, 786 zone rejected, we came dumped all the way 382, and 2 times as you can see we retested 618 zone, again 3 times we are retesting 382 levels, and I'll keep mentioning how these levels, 382 level is important. And I also mentioned that about a week ago we're going to have a consolidation and the price action will be squeezed. As you see, last 10 days or so, price action is following exactly. So I would like to say these fib levels being extremely important to follow the price actions, and it followed dollar to dollar as you can see, week to week right here, and it's been extremely helpful. For an educational purpose, I also would like to say that this triangle we've been following for some time, and the previous one, as you remember, I warned that it will fail, and it did fail as expected. This one we give another 48 hours to follow. Now we are breaking. If we're going to take it the target price from the top week to the bottom, and if we imagine that this price action got rejected, so our target would be 5,826,000 area. However, as I said, we've got tons of higher time frame support in these areas. I'm not giving a weight again to this triangle to work out fully, but we will be following closely. And I cannot see that we will reach to the full target zone, as I said, because we've got a heavy higher time frame support levels below us. If you want to see more videos how to trade successfully, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure press the bell to get an instant update. And this is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.